process has been super easy, so it's just a matter of sending you guys all the info. For the cost of the survey, for the $600, it's quite a cheap investment if you're underinsured by 20-30%, which some of these ones where we've discussed a value and put a value on the property, the reports have come back and we are, 30-40% underinsured. It's been a brilliant tool. It's been such an easy process. And all I've done basically is connected assessor, the guy that goes out and does the reports, with the real estate agent. If you don't know how to do it, just reach out, and you guys were very helpful in telling me what information you needed from me to be able to get all these reports done. So simple process. I receive an invoice. I send the invoice to the client, please pay this one. A day, 2 days later, the report comes through for the same property. We discuss it, we file it, and it's move on to the next one.